I'm Andrey Ovsyannikov, HPC Application Tech Lead from Intel, and today I'd like to introduce to our latest Xeon 6 CPU with MRD memory technology, and we are running today live weather forecast and climate model called MPAS-A on Intel Xeon 6 and also on competitor solution. So to achieve typical forecast target, we need 100 AMD series and 75 Intel Xeon 6 series, which allows great reduction of total cost of ownership to achieve the same level of performance of operational weather forecast with less number of compute servers. Here we're running it live on our previous generation, also Emerald Rapids, so 5th generation of Intel Xeon 5 and Intel Xeon 6. And we are showing how simulation progresses in every time step, which represents 6 minutes of weather forecast. And we can see that compared to previous gen, Xeon 6 with MRD runs 2.5x faster, and you can see actually runtime per time step running live. And the same simulation we are running on AMD Turing, which is the latest CPU solution from AMD. And we're comparing performance on Xeon 6 versus AMD Turing. We are getting 33% faster performance on Xeon 6 with MRD, and you can see most of performance come from high memory bandwidth utilization. On Xeon 6 we have about 1 terabyte per second of workload memory bandwidth, while on competition it's around 800 gigabyte per second. This is a key performance driver for this type of workloads. And here we have details about software stack from Intel One API. And we use Intel Fortran compiler, latest IFX compiler to optimize this workload on Intel Xeon 6. Also Intel MPI and OpenMP runtime. And overall, so we achieve up to 1.3x performance per server compared to AMD Turing, and 20% of TCO savings on Intel Xeon 6 with MRD compared to latest AMD Turing solution.